Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. Thank you so much for joining with me Thank you so much for watching with me today. I'm doing something that Kathleen Lights really inspired me to do. I did subscribe to BoxyCharm. So this month's BoxyCharm, the theme is called Eye Candy, and I'm sure everyone has seen a bunch of unboxing BoxyCharms or whatever. I really want to show an unboxing on my channel. I want to start that because I am subscribed. So if you guys don't know what BoxyCharm is, it is a cute little box that you subscribe to and you get full-size products in each box, I believe. So let's just go ahead and talk about what we have in the box so far. Kind of just going down this list. The first product that's in here is the Tarteist Pro Glow Liquid Highlighter. I don't even know if you can see, but it looks kind of like a champagne gold. Oh wow, it dries down so fast. It doesn't really move after you apply it. This is a great product for clients who, in my opinion, want that out there glow. Like if you can see from that initial swatch, the pigment in this liquid highlighter is amazing. It's also really creamy in my opinion. I loved applying this on the cheekbones of certain clients. The only thing that I personally don't like about this product is that it has kind of like glitter. The best way I think this looks is like right here, and then you could layer it with like a powder highlight as well. The next product that I want to talk about, the one that I don't think I'll be able to use because I already put all my skincare on, is the Pores No More Vacuum Cleaner from Dr. Brandt. I love this brand in general. Dr. Brandt is super awesome. Pores No More collection is great. Having this is really beneficial as well. I am concerned with pores, like especially in my nose area and my cheek area. So anything that will help with that, extracting any, impurities from the skin, this would really help, I'm sure. So this will be for a different day. I'm thinking about including this kind of just like in my skincare videos that I'm going to be creating in the near future. So look out for this. I don't know if anyone follows BoxyCharm on Instagram, but they did post that they would be getting a ColourPop eyeshadow palette. It's funny because I already bought this palette myself from Ulta, so I'm not going to use this one. I'm going to keep this one. I'm thinking about doing giveaways, so I'm kind of like stacking my things up that I want to give away to my supporters, so watch out for this. I'm going to use, in the tutorial, I'll be using my own palette. I'm not going to be using this one, so it'll be brand new. And then the last two products that I have in the box before we get started, I'm super excited to try. The Brow Gal, which is, it looks like it's like a brow gel, and it has fibers as well to create more of a thicker brow. And then a high definition liquid lipstick from a brand called Adesse? I'm not sure how to pronounce it, but it's such a pretty color. Okay, so let's get started. Again, I'm going to be demoing these products. And then, yeah. First thing I do whenever I do my makeup are my brows. So I'm going to start off with the Brow Gal Tonia Crooks, the Instant Light Hair 3. As you can see, I have dark hair, so I don't know how that's gonna work. Tinted brow gel with microfibers. So let's read about this in the little pamphlet. Eyebrow gel with microfibers to achieve a natural hair look. Perfect for the customer who wants a quick but natural fill to their brows. Alright, let's test this out. Let's see how it works. Interesting. This looks like for someone who's blonde. I'm just gonna comb it through my hair. Oh yeah, that's definitely for someone who has light or blonde hair. Oh, but you know what? That did make my brows look a little bit thicker. In camera, it actually looks really nice. It doesn't look bad at all, but when I look at it, it kind of looks like gray. It's more of a taupey color, so I'm gonna take that off. I'm gonna take it off. I'm gonna do my brows and then let's see if it works better after I apply my color. Okay guys, and we're back. So I did fill in my brows. I always use Anastasia Dipbrow Pomade. I know they probably don't look the same, but you know what? My brows are cousins, not twins. I don't think you guys, wherever you're watching, can see, but it definitely made a difference, like in color with my brow. Yeah, so it definitely made my brows really, really light. Just because I'm going out afterwards, I'm gonna go over this with my Benefit and hopefully that will tone it down a little bit. Overall, what I really like about this product is the applicator. So I showed you the applicator earlier. It's super skinny in comparison to the Benefit one. I feel like this grabs all my hair so much better. It's longer, it's skinnier, perfect for the frontal hairs towards the back as well. So I really, really like this. I just wish I had my color. I love this palette. I already have so much to say, only good things to say about ColourPop. I'm so excited that ColourPop is once again in the BoxyCharm. I'm pretty sure they've been in the BoxyCharm multiple times, but I really, really love the colors in this specific palette. But yeah, I'm just gonna do a really quick, simple look with this, I think. You know, just to get started. To just speed things up, I'm going to do a voiceover. I'm taking this first color in the palette and kind of keeping it in the outer corner and then as well as blending it into the crease. With a flat brush from Sigma Beauty, I'm just packing this color on the center of my lid. And now I'm going back in with that original blending brush just to go and blend everything out. This brush is from Morphe Brushes. I'll list it down below. So using the same flat brush, I'm focusing this color mainly in my inner corner. This is more of a defined blending brush. I'm kind of patting it using circular motions and focusing that in the outer corner as well. After applying liner and smudging it all out, I apply my lashes off camera. Alright guys, so we are back. I look so pale right now. So again, I got the Color Stunner. Personally, honestly, I don't like liquid highlighters for myself. I'm really oily naturally. I'm like one of those people that are oily all over. Like it's not just my T-zone. I'm oily in my cheek area, I'm oily in my chin, I'm oily in my nose, I'm oily in my forehead. It's literally everywhere. And if I look oily here, look like I'm also oily like in my cheekbone area. But I still want to try this out. I haven't tried it personally on myself yet, and so the fact that I got it in a box that I paid $21 for when this product alone is $29, so why not try it out? I came with the little box, I'm gonna do it. And what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna apply it with my beauty blender. I personally feel like this is the best way to apply it. And like I said, it dries down really fast. So you have to like really blend it in, work it in fast too. So this is the amount that I want to add onto my face, but I know that there are others out there who they want to put it everywhere, and that's completely fine. Honestly, like the way you use this product is completely up to you. I want to add some powder highlight and then just put it right on top, and wow, that like really made it super extreme. So even though I was like, I don't want to look oily, I still love highlighters. Just that cream highlighters, I feel like the consistency makes me look even oilier. I want to move on to my lips. I think I should exfoliate. Oh, I'm gonna finish up my eyes. I take this really pretty pink shade right down here. I'm not sure if you guys can tell, but it's kind of like a pinky iridescent shade, which I think is so pretty. Putting that right in the inner corner, and yeah, it really comes off like super pink. I'm gonna prime my lips really quickly with the Slick Lips Flavor Stick. So the last thing is this Juicy Delicious lip color. So I'm gonna line my lips first. So I do like the applicator. I like how it's like flat, but this lip gloss looks sticky. So that's what I'm like concerned about. So I'm going to fix my hair, get ready, I'm going to change and give my final thoughts on this month's BoxyCharm. We are back, I've changed, I'm ready for my day. So I have a few things to say about my BoxyCharm this month. I really like it. I think it's just completely worth it. I paid $21 every month. If you're new to BoxyCharm, you get charged the first day of the month. Pretty sure regardless of when you sign up. I think it's worth it. I love everything that I got in the box this month. Something that I wish I could have tried today though was the Pores No More Vacuum mask, but I feel like this would be a really great mask for me specifically because I have really big issues with pores. I'm definitely going to include it in my like skincare videos that are coming up. The main products that I really like were palette, even though I already bought one, but if I didn't buy the palette I would have been ecstatic. The lip gloss I actually really like. Love how much you get in here. So this is a pretty big bottle. This lipstick is 0.23 ounces or 6.5 grams. So that's a plus for me. Honestly, I liked everything in this month's box. I think the least thing that I liked was the Brow Gal. As I demonstrated, it didn't match my hair color at all. So that's the one thing in this box that I probably was like, not about it, at least for me. For someone who has light hair, that's perfect. I really liked the fibers. I think it's super comparable to the Gimme Brow from Benefit, but again, I did like the applicator on the Brow Gal much better than the Gimme Brow. I'm going to add the value of this whole box listed somewhere on the screen. But I hope you guys enjoy this video. I really want to start doing BoxyCharm videos every month. So please comment below if you enjoyed watching this video. Please subscribe if you haven't already. I will see you guys next time. Bye! Hey everyone, welcome back to my I was about to say welcome back to my family. I'm like sweating. Ugh. I feel like this would be a really great mask. I just bit my tongue. Ow. That hurt.